today's lesson. My name is Teacher Simonpeter, and as usual, I'm going to take you through English. And today, we want to look at order of adjectives. You know, in your lower classes, you first of all defined an adjective as a word that is used to tell us more about a noun it describes. Then you went further to look at the different types of adjectives, and that is very important here today, because for you to order these adjectives in their right positions, you must know the different types of adjectives. So now, as we are going to look at the order of adjectives, let's start off by saying sometimes we may use more than one adjective. We may use more than one adjective. We may use more than one adjective to describe a noun or pronoun. To describe a noun or pronoun. Now, if we use more than one adjective to describe a noun or pronoun, because we said that these adjectives are used to describe nouns, if not nouns, we can say they are used to describe pronouns. Now, what helps us to order these adjectives correctly? So we say, generally, the adjective order in English, the adjective order in English, the adjective order in English is somebody may wonder and say, now teacher, what is that? So when we say nosascom, this N here stands for adjectives of quantity, number. This O here stands for adjectives of quality, that is opinion. Then this S here stands for size. This one stands for age. This one stands for shape. This H here is for height. Then this C is for color. O is for origin. We can call them proper adjectives. If not, you can call them adjectives of nationality. Then M stands for material and P stands for purpose. Since we are dealing with adjectives, I don't want to put the noun here. I don't want to put it there, but let me put it like that. This last N stands for noun. This first N stands for number. Then this one stands for the noun that has been used in a sentence. So let's break this down. We said N stands for number. N stands for number. Adjectives of number, like we can have 2, we can have 10, we can have few, we can have several, we can have many, among others. So we move to the second class, that is O, that stands for opinion. Opinion. Sometimes we can also call them adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Yes, adjectives of what? Quality. Here we mean how good or bad a noun is. So adjectives of quality here, we can have examples like interesting. Yes, interesting. We can have the boring. We can have dull. We can have nice. We can have beautiful. We can have ugly, among others. So we move on to S. The next, that S there stands for adjectives of size, like. Adjectives of size like. We have big. We have small. We have tiny, among others. Then we move to A. That stands for age. A stands for age. Examples of adjectives that represent age are young. Yes. We have old. Yes. We have new. Yes. We have modern. Yes. We have ancient, among others. So we move on to this S. That one stands for shape. Examples of adjectives that stands for shape are oval. We have rectangular. Rectangular. We have circular. Circular, among others. Yes. So this H here stands for height. That H there stands for height. And adjectives for height are, we have tall, we have short, we have long, among others. C. So we move down to this C. That stands for color. C stands for color. And examples of adjectives of color are black. We have yellow. We have red. We have blue. We have green. You can mention other colors. Whatever color you mention represents adjectives of color. Then we move on to O. O stands for origin. If you don't want to call it origin, you can also call it proper adjectives. Proper adjectives. Yes. Yes. If you don't want to call them proper adjectives, you can call them nationality. Nationality. Yes, these are adjectives that stand for nationality. What are the examples here? Like, we have Ugandan. In the question, you are going to be given a proper noun, that is Uganda. But when you are ordering it, Uganda, you must form a proper adjective, whereby Uganda becomes Ugandan. Yes. Then if they give you Norway, then proper adjective becomes Norwegian. Be careful with the spelling of Norwegian. If you are given Iraq, the proper adjective is Iraqi. If you are given maybe Zimbabwe, the proper adjective is Zimbabwean. The proper adjective for Zimbabwe is Zimbabwean. Then for Kenya is Kenyan. then you add on other nationalities. So we move on to M. M stands for the material. Yes, material. Like material that is used for making those nouns, like shoes, can be made from leather. So the material we need in that case is leather. We can also need silk. We also have cotton. We also have gold, among others. Among others. These are adjectives that represent material. Then lastly, purpose. P stands for the purpose. Yes, the use of that noun. So the purpose here can be, the purpose in this case can be walking. If it is a stick, we say a walking stick. If it is maybe a boot, you can say climbing boots. Yes. Then maybe we can also say racing shoes. Okay, racing. So you can add on other purpose of doing something. So now we said that we are looking at order of adjectives. We say sometimes we may use more than one adjective to describe a noun or pronoun. Generally, the adjective order in English is nosascom. Some books will give you other formulas, but for this case, the better formula to use is nosascom, where N stands for the number, then O stands for opinion, S stands for size, A stands for age, S stands for shape, and then H is height. We have C for color, O is for origin or proper adjectives. We can also use maybe nationality. M stands for material, where the noun is made from. The examples have been given. Then P stands for the purpose of having that thing. Then the last N here is the noun that has been used in a sentence. So let us look at some examples. Yes, let's look at examples. Our first example is Mary is tall. Yes. Mary is a tall girl. Mary is a tall girl. A tall girl. She is brown. She is brown. Yes. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. So in this question, we have different adjectives given. Let's read the sentence. Mary is a tall girl. She is brown. She is beautiful. So the first important thing from this sentence is for you to identify the adjectives. So what are the adjectives in this sentence? The first adjective here is tall. Good. The second one here is brown. Very good. And the third one is beautiful. Now, these adjectives belong to different classes, as you've seen here. So now, for us to rewrite this sentence, in most cases the instruction is rewrite the sentence without using which or and. Yes, how are you going to do it? So the best you do, after you've got your question like that and you've identified your adjectives, you come and write the short form of your formula somewhere. You go and say, no, sas, com. Put that last N there. P first, then the noun comes last. So now we want to put these adjectives in there, correct? positions. What adjective is representing number from here? It is a. Where do we put tall? Yes, we said tall is the height. So we bring tall and put here, right? Brown, that is color. We put it where they see. We put here brown, right? Beautiful is opinion. So we put where there is O, we put here beautiful. So now, in this case, we have positioned these adjectives in their correct positions. In their correct what? Positions. So now, we come and write our answer as Mary is number, then opinion, a beautiful. We do not put the commas. A beautiful, tall, a beautiful, tall, then the color, brown, then the noun now comes in, girl, okay? Mary is a beautiful, tall, brown girl. We do not put the commas. Let's look at example 2. Example 2 is saying, their father is black. It is not mine. Their father is black. He is fat. He is fat. Yes. He is a short man. He is a short man. So the most important thing from here is first of all to identify the adjectives. Their father is black. You must know which type of adjective that is. He is fat. You must know the type of adjective. He is short. Okay? So we come back and arrange using our formula. Yes. Number, we have here R. Is there black is color? Black is color. Yes. Black is color. Fat, there is the size. Fat is the size. Okay? Fat is the size. Yes. Then short is the height. Yes. Short is the what? Height. Here. Short is the height. So, what noun are we dealing with? Man. We put it here. So what is the correct answer? Their father is a fat, short, black man. Their father is a fat, short, black man. Yes, black man. That is that. So you can see, if we use this formula, it is very easy to order these adjectives in their correct positions. Let us look at example 3. Example 3 is saying, I calculated numbers. I calculated numbers. I calculated numbers. They were simple. They were simple. Yes. They were 10. They were 10. Yes, so we need to put these adjectives in their correct positions. But first of all, we have to identify them. I calculated the numbers. They were simple. Which type of adjective? And they were 10. Okay? So you come back to your formula and order those adjectives in their correct positions. What is going to be our number from here in this case? We've been given 10. So we put there 10 adjectives of quantity. Then simple is the opinion. The opinion is simple. What is the noun? The noun here is numbers. Okay? Yes. So what is going to be the correct answer? The correct answer is going to be, I calculated 10 simple numbers. Okay? You come here and write and say, I calculated 10 simple numbers. When you do that, it means you have ordered your adjectives in their correct positions. Let us look at example 4. At least 2 or 3 examples. Then we shall be at least conversant with that. Number 4. She brought children. She brought children. Yes, she brought children. They were young. They were young. They were young. Yes. They were black. They were black. Yes. They were ignorant. They were ignorant. Ignorant. Right? They were from. They were from Congo. They were from Congo. They were several. They were several. So the sentence is a little bit long, but you need to read and internalize. Yes. Can you read the question once again? Good. The question reads, she brought children. They were young. They were black. They were ignorant. They were from Congo. They were several. So, the first thing you do in this type of question, you first identify the adjectives. So the first adjective here is, she brought children. Children is the noun, it's not an adjective. They were young is an adjective, you must know the category under which it falls. They were black, you must know the class. They were ignorant, you must know where it falls. They were from Congo. This is a proper noun. So when we are ordering these adjectives, we change proper noun Congo to a proper adjective. So they were several. So what you do, you come and write your formula here. Nosascom. Yes, nosascom. The P is standing for purpose, right? Okay. So what adjective is representing numbers from here? Numbers, okay, let's just go like this. She brought children, they were young. Young is the age, we put it there. Yes. They were black. Black is the color, we put here. Yes. They were ignorant. Ignorant is opinion. Ignorant. Ignorant, that is opinion. They were from Congo. So Congo is a proper noun. The proper adjective formed from Congo is Congolese. So you come to origin. Congolese. Yes. Then there were several. Several is representing number. So we put several there. So what is our correct answer? She brought several ignorant young black Congolese. The noun is here. The noun comes there. Children. Okay? Yes. I said when you're writing this proper, when you're ordering these adjectives, we don't need commas. So the response here is she brought. You follow your order there. Several. She brought several ignorant. Yes. Young. Yes. Black. Yes. Congolese children. Congolese children. When you do that, it means you've ordered your adjectives in their correct positions. Yes, children. Good. She brought several ignorant young black Congolese children. Let's look at the next example. That is example 5. Example 5 says, a team, the old woman, the old woman has a bag. Has a bag. Okay? It is leather bag. It is leather bag. Yes. It is used for shopping. It is used for shopping. Yes, it is used for shopping. It is new. It is new. So let's go and put these adjectives in their correct positions. Yes, the old woman has a bag. It is leather bag. It is used for shopping. It is new. So we have adjectives here. Leather. We have new. Yes. How do we put these adjectives? Yes. So number here is a new is the age. We put it there. New. Then leather is the material. Yes. Leather. Yes. We have the purpose for shopping. For shopping. Yes. So what is the correct answer here? The correct answer is the old woman has a new leather bag for shopping. So you come and write your answer here. The old woman has a new leather bag for shopping. Yes, leather bag for shopping. Good. So the last example we can give here is the last example we can have is Grace. Last example 6. Grace boat, Grace boat, a bucket, Grace boat, a bucket. It is plastic. It is plastic. It is nice. It is nice. It is blue. It is blue. Yes. Then we can also say it is big. Rewrite the sentence without using which or and. So you come and write your formula down after you've identified those adjectives, and then you can put them in their correct positions. So our formula here is nosascom. Nosascom. Yes, so we put our P there. You remember we said that N stands for number, O stands for opinion. S, the first S is for size. This is age, shape, height, color, origin, material, and a purpose. So let's identify the adjectives from here. Grace bought a bucket. Bucket is a noun. It is plastic. Which type of adjective? Material. It is nice. It is blue. It is big. So let's put those adjectives in their correct positions. So R will represent number. Plastic is material. We put here plastic. Yes. Then nice. Nice is the opinion. Nice is the opinion. Then blue is the color. Blue is the adjective of color. Then big is the size. Yes. Big is the what? Is the size. So the correct order is Grace bought a nice, big, blue, plastic. The noun comes there. Bucket. Okay? So our response is Grace bought a nice, big, no commas, a nice, big, blue, plastic bucket. Okay? Yes. So be careful. At times they might give you a question when it's having article R, but when you're giving your answer, the adjective here affects article R to become and. Take an example. If here was expensive, okay? If here was expensive, automatically we would not say Grace bought are expensive. No, this one will become an. Okay? Yes. So be careful with the usage of articles. Okay? Yes. So we said this is nice. Looking at our question, that is nice. So, thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next episode. I remain Teacher Simonpeter.